All right, next one we're going to look at is the problem for Guy Lussac. That's Guy Lussac's law. That's on the Nearpod, okay? Okay, so on this one again, let's write down what they give me. It's telling me right away what to solve for. It says find P2. And so Guy Lussac is P1 over T1. Yes. All right, so it gives me my first temperature, which is 25 degrees Celsius. And then it gives me my first pressure, which is 87 kilopascals. And it gives me T2, which is 50 degrees Celsius. And it's asking me to solve for P2. Okay? So I'm going to get this out of the way. Okay? All right, so that's everything it gives me. So I got to manipulate this guy, Lussac's law, to solve for P2. Basically, I'm going to have to get rid of this T2. I get rid of it by multiplying both sides by T2. So if I multiply by T2 over here, I got to do the same thing over here. Basically, it puts up my T2 over there. And here's your equation for the second pressure. All right, so I'll rewrite that. P2 is equal to T2 times P1 all over T1. Right? I'm just rewriting it. So I get this P2 over on this side. So it's the same thing, right? T2 times P1 divided by T1, okay, is equal to P2. So I did that here. Okay, so now I've got everything written out. So P2 is equal to T1. P1 is what? 87 kilopascals. And all right. So what do I have to do before I can use the temperatures here? Convert it to Kelvin, right? So I just got to add 273 to each one of those. So what's 273 plus 25? 298 Kelvin. And then what's 50 plus 273? 323 Kelvin, right? And then all I gotta do is the math now, right? So 298 times 87 gives me that. I divide that by 323, 80.3. Kelvin goes away. What am I left with? Kilopascals. So my unit is kilopascals, which is a pressure. Final answer right there. That's Gay Lussac's law. Okay? That's how you do that one.